Oh dear. I felt that pulling on my GoPro mount. That was almost bad. I'm not even giving it that many beans. This is like a half a cup of beans at best. He looked right at me like, what the fuck? Yeah, no, dude, I'm not even trying to outrun you off the line. This thing's just got some get up and go to it, up to about 45, 55 mile an hour. I should really get around to that review. Papa John's! I used to work there. It sucked. I used to be the delivery girl in the little fucking Toyota Yaris they had as the company car. The car was fun, but the job was awful. My coworkers sucked. There was like one good one. One. And even he was kind of a dickhead. I'm gonna be here a minute. Yeah, no, I had a whole rant I went on the other day when I went to drop off a return for Amazon. I didn't keep it. Mostly just because, like, this isn't that type of channel. I was just mad about something. And I try to keep negativity away from this space. Just because, like, it's a good chill place. It's the vibes. It's the whole point, right? That's why I ride a scooter and not like a fucking Gixxer 750. Unbutton this a bit. It is fucking hot. That feels really nice. Let's see if I can get the last one. Yeah, one-handed. Kind of a motherfucker to get it done one-handed. Hey, almost got it. This zipper is low quality as shit. That's what I get for going to Temu for this stuff. There it goes, all on its lonesome. Woo! That feels much better. I'm a little weirdo, I know. I need to check my brake pads soon. They're feeling spongier than normal. Whee! And that sunset is kicking my ass. Okay, we're gonna be here for a minute. Let me check and see where it's fucking taking me. Yeah, no, that's the one. You're fucking stupid if you think I'm gonna take that route to get there. Whatever, I guess you'll just have to fucking recalculate. Because I ain't going that way. Eat a dick. Bumpy. I hate that motherfucker. It's so bumpy. You can't make me. Not in the least little bit. I know, like, most of the way to where I'm fucking going. You're not gonna, like, fucking tell me how to do this. You'll just accept that we're taking the route that I know, and you fucking cry about it. A lot of boats out there. We're just gonna take the exit I used to go to fucking work. There, see? That was fine. That was okay. You got this, buddy. It's not that hard, you know? Shit.
Not much later.
You're really gonna cut me off to go slower. Okay. They got the road fucked up already. And I'm gonna be sad if they do. Oh, that's me. Means I'm finna have fun, I think. Hopefully they're finna fix all this through here, because this sucks. I hate it. When tar snakes all up and down the goddamn road. I used to live out here. It's certainly a part of town for sure. And by part of town, I mean technically so. There's nothing out here. There's a couple gas stations. That's pretty cool, I guess. They're building another, whatever the fuck that is. But nobody around here can afford. It's gonna take me forever to get home tonight. Shit. I just hope this doesn't take too long. I remember taking that route to get in there. Precarious. Used to buy beer there all the time. I wonder if that old boy still works there. This place is out in Bumblefuck, dude. You know what? This is fine. I gotta turn. Gross puppies! I love them. I want to be their friend. Whew, I didn't know we'd be out in Podunk. You know, I may have grown up on a farm, but I have turned into such a city girl. Because all of this shit feels alien to me now. I love the smells, don't get me wrong. Just wave at them, act like I live out here. That way they don't eat me. I forget this is the top place where motherfuckers got gravel driveways and shit. Alright, we got this road. This road. It is right there. So if I'm alive after this is all said and done, I reckon I'm gonna hit y'all back.
Your destination is on the left.
Is this the place? That was fucking fun. I'm gonna feel like shit tomorrow though. I'm gonna have to take a quick shower. Like a cold one. I just go immediately to bed. This is what I get for being cool. There's so much footage to comb through once I get back. Oh, fuck, I'm sleepy. There's my turn.